Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name's tobinmua, and if you are new or you just stumbled upon this video, welcome. I hope you guys stick around to check out this tutorial I have created for you guys today. I hope you guys stick around for this tutorial, and let's get on to the video. So how do we like this? Do we like that? There's the lighting on my face. So I think today I'm going to be doing a purple eye look tutorial for you guys today. Yeah, I don't know. I think I asked like on Instagram or something what you guys wanted to see a little bit back, and some of you guys wanted to see a purple eye tutorial, I want to say. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to just be using my beauty mark. This was like school I went to for makeup, and so I'm just going to be using that for today. So first I'm going to go in with a light purple shade and dust that in my crease very lightly. Next, I'm going to go in with the E18 brush from Morphe, and I'm going to go in with a little bit of a darker shade. Put that on the inner and the outer corner. So next I'm going to go in with my concealer, and I'm just going to place a little bit in the center. I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Nicole Guerrero Glow Kit, and I think I'm going to use 143 all over the lid. Well, not all over the lid, in the center where I placed the concealer. Well, I'm going to go in with a Morphe M506 brush and a little bit of that purple, and just blend. Okay, so now that I have that done, I'm going to go in with my Embryo Least primer and prime my face. So next I'm going to do foundation, and the foundation I'm using is the Maybelline 24-hour or up to 24-hour foundation in 310 Sun Beige. I'm going to go in with a little bit of Milani's Conceal and Perfect. So next I'm going to go in with concealer, and I'm using the Makeup Revolution concealer and Define in C12. also going to go in with C3, which is a lighter shade. I love this concealer. This concealer is so good for the price tag. I'm gonna set it. Now I'm going to go into the bottom lower lash line. So I am going to take my M506 brush, and with whatever product is left on it, I'm going to run that on the lower lash line. Okay, so lashes I use are the Dodo Lashes D307s. They are my favorite lashes to wear. I'm always wearing them in all of my Instagram photos and most of my YouTube videos. And yeah, they're pretty awesome. If you guys do want to get them with a discount, I do have a discount code with them. It's just tobinmua. It is always linked below. Check out my description bar so you guys can check them out. And so the mascara, two mascaras I used were the volumized Lash Paradise mascara from L'Oreal, and then the Lash Accelerator from Rimmel. I used this on my top lashes to blend in my falsies, and this on my bottom lashes. So these were the two mascaras. I really love this mascara a lot. I think it's really good mascara for a drugstore, and then I think this is great as well. So next I'm going to go on to the face. I'm going to use my highlight and contour palette from NYX and bronze up my face. I'm going to use that first color right here. I really want to try the what is it? It's the butter bronzer from Physicians Formula. Are they repackaging that or reformulating that? Because I remember they were put on sale at Ulta just a couple months ago back, and so I was just wondering why. But I really want to try that bronzer out. I know a lot of people really like that bronzer, so I would love to try that out. So for today's blush, I'm going to be using the Party Blush from Tarte. So next time for highlights, and for today's highlights, I'm going to go in with Gerard Cosmetics Maryland highlighter. That's what it looks like. So pretty. Comes with a little like seal, so like your highlighter doesn't break or nothing gets in it, which is so nice for these. I do have the individual. You can get it individual, or you can get it in like a palette form that comes with 2 other shades. So love this as well for like traveling when I'm doing a client. But yeah, this is really nice. I'm going to take my Morphe brush. This is the M501 brush. Get a decent amount of that. And it does come with a mirror, which is really nice. Ooh, so pretty. Okay, now for lips, I'm going to do Brown Sugar from Kylie Cosmetics. Okay, so last step is setting spray, and I'm going to be using the Gerard Cosmetics Slay All Day setting spray in the scent Peach, which is my favorite scent. As you can see, like it's getting low. It's my favorite. And we're just gonna spritz the face and we'll be finished. So that is it. That is the end of this makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this purple halo eye look. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe right below and click that notification bell, because YouTube now doesn't show you guys that I've uploaded videos, and they have taken that away from a lot of us YouTubers. So be sure to click that notification bell so you are notified the next time I do upload. And if you guys want to catch up with me on other social medias, you can follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Both those are at tobinmua, and I think that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment below, sound off below on what you guys want to see next on my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.